Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Mobile Pixels monitor. It's a second screen for laptops. I hope you enjoy today's video. Let's get to it. So as I said, today we're doing an unboxing of the Mobile Pixels monitor. Let's get into it here. Pull her out of the box. There it is. The Mobile Pixels Trio Max. Sometimes that's the only downfall to unboxing stuff, is the way that they have them wrapped in plastic, but hey, got through that fairly easy. Nice thick sturdy box, and it's set up like a game board, which is kind of cool, because who doesn't like opening up an old school game board? Comes with a postcard for your setup guide with a QR code and the website address, depending on whether or not you're using a smartphone. It's also got some instructions on the back. And then it's got a template for the mounting system to be able to make sure that you align everything properly, which is awesome. Then you've got the monitor and main housing. Little container here, which has the adhesive strips to assist with mounting to make sure that it's nice and secure. The USB cable to make the connection, and then this part's in there pretty snug, so and then the other portion of the mounting bracket. We will take a quick transition here, and I will take a minute, get this all set up, and when we come back in a second, you'll see it all set up and working. Alright, so before the transition, we did the quick unboxing of the new Mobile Pixels Trio, which is the new monitor that I just hooked up, so I have a better setup for doing these recorded videos, as well as doing webinars and multitasking when it comes to working on my books, listening to YouTube videos, Zoom meetings, and everything else. Now you're probably going, well, what is the benefit of having this new monitor hooked up to your laptop? Well, I'm actually going to show you a quick demonstration so you can see why I got this and why I'm already loving it, and it's only been hooked up for not even a few minutes. Not only am I going to show you here on screen, but I'm actually going to do a little bit of a video recording with my phone. So not only do you see what is on the screen here, but I'll give you a little bit of a behind the scenes look so you can see exactly what I see. Right now you see me on camera. Now, if I wanted to, before having this monitor, I would have to click on share screen, pick whatever I'm going to share with you, whether it's my full screen, a window, or a video, or whatever, and then it would pop up and it would immediately go to the main thing on screen. And then if I wanted to be able to see what is getting put out on the screen to you, I would have to click over to the other tab to be able to monitor whatever it is that I'm showing you, just to make sure that the video is coming through, there's no tech issues of any kind. Now, having this new monitor, I can be able to set everything up in a way to where it's a lot easier. As you can see here, I'm taking quick recording with my phone so I can give you both aspects of you seeing what I'm seeing. Before, you would see me here to where everything's on screen. And then if I was to go and open up another tab, you would immediately see that right there. And then I would have to switch tabs and be able to see you like this to be able to know that whatever I'm sending you is actually working. Now, I'm sure you just noticed that I transitioned there pretty quickly. And that is because not only am I looking at you on the monitor, but now I also have the other monitor. So we'll say, for instance, I wanted to give you a demonstration right now of how to go into YouTube and see your comment. Just hypothetically. I would have to click on share screen, select the screen or the window that I'm going to share, and then transition back over to the first tab of StreamYard so I could pick the layout that I want to be able to either be on screen with the demonstration or just have the full screen dedicated to what I'm showing you. Now with the new monitor, I have two tabs open. One is on the main laptop and the other is on the new monitor. And I can actually take my mouse and sweep all the way to the edge of the laptop and it will immediately go on to the other screen. Another nice part about this is that the accessibility features built into the laptop also work on the monitor. For a quick example, I'm going to show you right now. So now we're over on the new monitor. Everything that you're seeing on this screen is on the new monitor. You'll notice that now my mouse is plain to see here on the screen. And if I go over here to the edge, it just disappears because it is actually going over to the laptop rather than being on the side monitor. So as I said, we'll do a quick demonstration of how you could check your comments on YouTube videos, right? So I'll come over here and I'll zoom in, go over to comment, and hey, look at that. Scully left a message. Thank you, Scully, as one of my most common commenters. Is greatly appreciated. Come over here and give a heart, give a like, and respond. There, and a nice response and reply. Now that is all on the new screen. And that is how I'm liking it already. I have the ability to see what I'm showing you. I have the ability to see what I'm putting out on StreamYard. I still have full control over absolutely everything. And with the new Stream Deck, it makes it even easier because now everything's a push of a button and I can transition back and forth. Not only that, but I can be able to start live streams and end live streams all with the push of a button, and I can see everything between the two monitors that I want to do. So stay tuned for an upcoming video where I give my unbiased opinion and review of the new monitor and other gear that I've recently gotten in the past few weeks. Give myself a little bit of time to work with it, figure out if there's any little kinks or anything like that to give an honest opinion of the new gear. I hope you enjoy today's video for the Mobile Pixels Trio Max unboxing. If you have any questions, comments, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Link is in the description so you can take a look at this monitor. I hope you have a great day or evening depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.